that thought. And the moment you look that thought, that instant, and trying to find out where's that by this thought, that which I don't like that thought. And that moment, then there is no existing that thought. It is empty thought. Empty. An empty thought is empty. Whatever that is empty. There's no solid existence. And now when you see this, whether it is pleasing sound or unpleasant sound, both are nominated and designated, named that by the mind. And that is really the creation of the mind. And where is the mind? So then we went, I mean, you all know, we all know, mind is. It's empty. Empty. So this is emptiness. Emptiness conception, therefore is called illusion. Illusion is therefore is called dreamland. And it is kind of like this emptiness again. It's not just we're making up this emptiness, or the Buddha made up these things. We look ourselves. Where is our mind? If we look to trying to find our mind, there's nothing to find. We couldn't find. And that is known as emptiness. That is. We just kind of vaguely kind of believing, oh, I heard this emptiness. That thought is known as then kind of like believing emptiness, which is okay, but is not really true emptiness realizations. Or this is called patched emptiness. Emptiness idea patched on the duality mind. Mind, so it's not really realization emptiness. It is patched. You got that from the Buddha books, or the books, and they just patched on that our duality mind. So therefore, I think it's called, in the Tibet, it's called the Jendi. Jendi is but it is like patched. Patched, or this is just kind of, you just holding that, you just believed that way. But it's not really our realization. But we don't have to be used as patched emptiness to our duality mind. We can do ourselves, find out where is our mind. I mean, that's really the very simple way. Where is our mind? And when we start looking where is this mind, and there's nothing to find. When you didn't find, that is known as the emptiness. Is not the patched emptiness realization of the emptiness mind. Oh yeah. That and they get going to the Trovanies. That the great on that thing. Just so much in book young and changing by you. Then comes in Marima, comes in Monan and the Carson, Dosha, Shading, Tamo, Maya, Tado, Giamatis, Tening eyes over Tijila, Gila Mangane, Tini Jason, Tini Lula, Tini Jaji to some of the choose something, how much to do it. And this is the same teaching that prayer of the Kundazam, again, this is the teaching of Guru Padmasambhava. In that teaching, said, moment the anger comes, and in the teaching said, the the raging anger comes in the mind. Instead of following or rejection and accepting all these things, instead of doing that, immediately look to the direct face of the anger, and the moment you look, there is the window of emptiness, realizations, and relax in that nature state without accepting any rejection. And apply it continually to every emotions, anger, attachment, arrogance, and ignorance, or all that one after another. I mean, that teaching applied. And now again, we all know this. What is wrong, what is a mistake is following after these emotions, like following after these attachments. And that is then known as then ordinary, and we lost the purpose of the practices.